That's how you make a Texas lasagna. I've partnered up with Red Gold Tomatoes to bring you a delicious family meal using their quality ingredients. Start off by browning 2 pounds of lean hamburger meat. Add a little bit of beef bouillon, a little bit of onion, and some jalapeno. Taco seasoning. Red Gold's diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, and oregano. We also have Red Gold's petite diced tomatoes. This one has green chilies. Add 1 can of water, 2 eggs. Add 1 cup of cottage cheese to your eggs, and 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese, and some garlic powder. And then combine your cheese mixture with your eggs. Did you know that Red Gold could trace every single can of tomatoes to the actual field it was grown on? Add half of the meat sauce to the bottom of a casserole dish. Our second layer is white corn tortillas cut into strips. Now spoon half of your cheese mixture on top of your tortillas. Now we're just going to repeat those layers. Add this bad boy into the oven until it's nice and bubbly. Garnish with a little cilantro and avocado. Red Gold has an amazing salsa and your favorite tortilla chips. And voila!